You have several options for checking the status of your blog posts. From your profile in the main dashboard, you'll see the status of your blog posts in the pending content area. You can also filter by the status of your blog post within the content and following section of your profile. For example, if you started to write a post and saved it with the intent of finishing later, you'll find it under draft status. As a new blogger, you will need 2 of your posts to go through moderator review before you can publish blog posts on your own, and you'll be able to track your under review posts here as well. If a moderator believes that your blog post doesn't meet community standards, he or she will set it to needs more work. The moderator will also likely leave an editorial comment explaining why the post needs more work. You can access this feedback via this content area and also through your inbox, where you receive notifications about moderator activity. To see the editorial comments, you can click the edit link on the post page, taking you to the blogging tool. Should you choose, you can respond to the moderator's comments. And once you've taken the necessary action, as explained by the moderator, you can submit the blog post again for review. Finally, you can access your posts and editorial comments from the blogging tool itself.